Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are all good. Welcome to WA Reviews YouTube channel. Guys, today we will unbox Lenovo Thinkplus LivePods GM2 Pro. It's a gaming TWS Bluetooth headset. So I buy this one from Aliexpress. If you like this one, I will give you link in description. You can buy through that link. So let's unbox and check what we found inside the box. So this is our gaming TWS Bluetooth headset. We found one QC pass certificate inside the box, one manual for Lenovo Thinkplus LivePods GM2 Pro. This manual is in English. One charging cable which is Type C. It means its charging interface is Type C. Two pairs of extra rubbers, so smaller and bigger. Which one you like, you can use that one. And this is our headset. As you can see, backside here mention Lenovo logo, Thinkplus. Wow. Very heavy this one. Earbuds, not lightweight. I think there is no charging on this box. So first we check how to charge. Here is also light. Here is Type C charging interface. When we connect our charger here, so this light, red light blinking, it's mean this earbuds case in charging mode. And when this light disappear or change color, it's mean your box is fully charged. So like this you can charge your TWS earbuds. Like this you can charge. Let's talk about its specification. Lenovo Thinkplus LivePods GM2 Pro. It's a Bluetooth version 5.3. So latest version of Bluetooth 5.3 is latest version of 2023. Its transmission distance 10 meter. It's mean from your device to this Bluetooth connectivity range is 10 meter. All earbuds using same range. Its battery capacity, earbuds battery capacity is 40 mAh, which will give you almost 5 hour backup time. And its charging time about 1 hour. It's mean from 0 to 100% it will take up to 1 hour to become fully charged. Its rated input 5 volt and 35 milliampere. It's mean you can use any your smartphone charger or any charger for charge this earbuds. Its case capacity is 350 mAh. It will give you up to 20 to 25 hour backup time with the help of this case. And its charging time almost 1.5 hour for become a fully charged. Its rated input is 5 volt 300 mAh. It's mean you can use your any smartphone charger for charge this GM2 Pro. So it's in black color. It's also available in different colors. If you like, you can buy in different color. I will give you link in description. You can check out that one. So it's a gaming Bluetooth TWS. Let's check how to connect this one from our smartphone. For connectivity you need to remove this earbud from the case and scan in your smartphone for Bluetooth devices. I open my Bluetooth and scanning for Bluetooth device, and as you can see here it's showing me Thinkplus GM2 Pro. When I click on this one, it will ask me pairing permission. I click on pair, so it will pair Now you can see here Thinkplus GM2 Pro connected for call and audio, 80% battery remaining. Like this you can connect this earbud from your smartphone. And it's about its sound quality. I heard sound is good, and in this price range is calling also good. It's a basic TWS Bluetooth, not very expensive. It's very cheap gaming Bluetooth headset. So you can buy this one from Aliexpress in cheaper price. If you like the video, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, like the video, share with your friends, and keep supporting guys. Thanks for watching. Bye, take care.